Would you sleep in this remodeled RV bedroom?
I know I would.
Well, let's show you how we did this. Oh, hey there. My name's Emily, and that's Joe over there behind the camera. And this is our 1986 Toyota Odyssey that we've built from the ground up. Well, rebuilt from the ground up. And if you want to come inside, we'll show you what we've been up to. Slowly making this baby look pretty again. But today we're addressing a very ugly section. This one. This is our junk drawer. We are supposed to sleep here one day, so we are going to clean this baby up and make it look like a real sleeping area. Step 1 is to clean off everything we piled on our bed area. We have a comedic habit of stashing everything on flat surfaces. We hope we're not alone on this.
You sleeping?
What? Oh, hey! All right, welcome to our bedroom. Let me give you a little tour. This is where we're gonna sleep. These are gonna be our walls. Actually, no. We're gonna add some cedar all around. We're gonna connect the wires properly. We're gonna put in some lights. We're gonna run some more electrical wires. And we're gonna install some outlets. We're gonna put an outlet back here, outlet up here, another little outlet for Joe over there, and a couple puck lights. And I think that's it. But
Sounds like a plan.
easy does it.
All right, before we get terribly far in here, we need to finish the spray foam in this little rounded corner nose front thing. I don't know. Time to bury some wiring. Well, all the wiring is now buried into the walls. Exciting stuff. Now we have a really tricky part, but it'll look cool when it's done, and I'll show you. It's this piece right here. It needs, this whole thing needs to be flush with this wall, so we need to cut it all the way, and we're gonna run a board all the way from the bottom to the top there, kind of like this side, and it should look,
Excuse me.
you're excused. It should look very finished when it's done. Very finished.
Oh, so finished.
There are so many small details that go into every project. Most of the time, you don't think about them until you start working, but these small details in the end are what elevate something like a bedroom remodel from DIY average Joe to a skilled pro.
It is officially time to start some of that cedar paneling. And we're very thankful to have a roof over our head right now because it is raining cats and dogs outside. It was nice and sunny 20 minutes ago. I guess it's winter in California.
I'm sorry, I'm a dipshit.
This side, driver's side, went well. Now we got to do the same to the passenger side so it all looks good and it's very cohesive. So, well, not much more to say than this carpet's got to go.
Reflecting on the amount of work that we've already done, we're constantly reminded of how grateful we are to have each other during this build. Projects like this will continue to challenge us mentally, physically, and emotionally. Some days are easier than others, but in the many faces of defeat, we help each other find a way out, and we stay relentless and push forward. Also, we cannot say thank you enough to everyone who continues to encourage us. It has truly made a difference.
Okay, it's time for us to try out some wallpaper for this accent wall. Ooh.
Taking a little break, gotta run the puppy.
Hey, good girl, good girl. Not a drone. RV bedroom?
After 100 more of these.
I'm not chasing this one. Yeah. All right, we really want to make sure these ceiling planks are all straight because they're going to be running from the very back to the very front. So we're going to use this fun little string line to make sure it all stays straight or something like that. I don't really know. Okay, good morning. We're about over halfway through our RV bedroom renovation here, and I made the worst, terrible mistake. I was getting sloppy putting on some of the ceiling cedar planks in the bedroom area and making room for our 12-volt lighting, some of the like puck lights. So I have this hole saw right here, you know, drilling away and trying to remove the insulation so it fits all the wiring and stuff, and I completely spaced and forgot that there's the drill bit portion of it, and I went right through the ceiling. So now there's a 1/4-inch hole. Yeah, I'm really bummed about that. I guess we're gonna have to start the entire renovation over. You live and you learn. So I'll show you some quick progress on the bedroom. We're in the home stretch. This thing is very close to being done. And we have a mattress on the way. We might be able to camp inside this RV very soon. Dry camp anyways. That's all you get for now. Let's finish this thing and then we'll show you how good it turned out. Okay, I need to see if all the wiring worked, so same thing. I'm gonna touch the wires to the battery, see if the lights turn on. We are going to install some outlets in here in the recessed shelving, as well as this side, which is where our feet will be, but we'll have an outlet over here because we'd rather have too many and not need them than to need them and not have too many. Right? Also, that's like a bail bonds slogan, right?
Better to need me than to know me, than to know me. And then it's the other way around.
Yeah, but you get the idea. Guys, the rain has stopped, the sun is shining, and we have finally finished our bedroom area in the RV. And we really want to show you because it turned out so good.
Ready?
Let's go.
All right, now tell me, do you want to sleep right here? Oh, hey.
Oh, you guys are still here.
Welcome to our bedroom.
It turned out so nice. We're obsessed. Like
It's so cozy.
We want to go camping immediately.
Yeah, we may or may not just sleep in the driveway tonight.
Sleep over.
Yay! So we got on our matching pajamas.
That's right. We're just gonna hang out and enjoy our new bed area.
It smells so nice. The cedar in here, I feel like we're in a little cabin.
Yeah.
It's like officially a tiny home.
Oh, this
tiny
is so
cabin.
fun. You guys.
Thanks for being here.
We're making progress.
Can you believe it?
Yeah, if you've made it this far, thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Thanks for supporting.
Like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff.
Yeah.
It helps.
Next video, we're gonna go crazy and get a lot more done.
Crazy?
Well, let's hang out, enjoy the bed area, and
Watch a movie.
Yes. Movie recommendations down below.
Yeah. What movies are you guys watching?
Bye guys. I'll see you later. Thanks for